Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung device, and let me share with you how to get precise volume control on this device. Alright, so let me quickly explain what I will show you in this video. So basically, if we will unroll the upper panel and we will take a look at this volume bar, you can see that whenever I'm pressing volume down or volume up button, it changes by 10 units, right? So right now we've got 84 and it will immediately change to 94, then 104, etc. And the same with the volume down, so 94, 84, 74, 64, right? So it just jumps for 10 steps, let's say. And what if I will tell you that you can actually change it, so you will be able to have much detailed control over the volume. So we can change it, for example, only for 2 units or 3 or even 1. So if you'd like to do it, you need to download a special app which is called GoodLock. It is actually designed by the Samsung. It is free of charge. You can find it in Google Store or Play Store, Galaxy Store or Play Store. So just find it and download it. Then let's tap on GoodLock, and here what we need to do in those plugins is to scroll and find Sound Assistant. So just scroll, find it. So now let's scroll down here, and as you can see, we've got something which is called step volume, and it is set to 10. So just to make a huge difference, I will set it to 1, and now if I will try to volume up, I will just move over 1 step with only 1 step. So as you can see, it might take more time, obviously here you can just do it with your finger, but you have much more control about the volume in your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.